Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the basket roller assembly on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new basket roller assembly for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The basket roller assembly supports the dish rack and facilitates smooth movement in and out of the dishwasher. If any of the rollers fail, the dish rack may not roll smoothly and may become unstable. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the middle rack forward. Now lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Then, pull it forward as far as it will go and lift up to clear the second set of wheels. With the rack removed, press firmly on the retaining tabs holding the broken wheel in place. This will require some force. If you need to purchase a new basket roller assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. When purchasing, note that the rollers are sold individually and not as a set. To install, seat the basket roller assembly onto the wire rack while ensuring that the retaining tabs align to the adjacent vertical bar. Then press firmly into place. With the rack at an angle, align the first set of wheels to the roller brackets and set in place, noting that the height of the dish rack will vary depending on whether you choose to install it with the upper or lower set of wheels. Then slide the rack back until it reaches the second set of wheels and gently press to seat it onto the brackets. Finally, push the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.